Hello YouTube. Today I got solar lights. It's very cheap. 16 lights in. So you just pull this out and it will start recharging, and when it's dark it will light. Also got these screws, but if you don't want to drill any holes, you have these stickers for like this, and you put anywhere. They are very cheap. 16 lights is, I think, 12 euros. Not much. We'll see how they perform in the night. And now let's see how it performs at night. Two steps. It looks okay. Look at that. For less than an euro. I think this 12 euros is worth to buy 16 of these lamps. This is how it looks. It's glued with tape. It's very solid. This glue is very strong. We'll see how long will it be. What do you think about these lights? Tell me in the comments. Thank you. Bye YouTube.